Good morning, my dear students. Now we discuss part 4, concepts of circles. In this part, we discuss 3 points mainly. One is common tangents. Second one, centers of similitude. Third one, relative positions of circles. Now, first point, common tangents. Two circles. If the circles are like this, one circle is outside the other, then common tangents are, we can draw 4 common tangents. 4 common tangents. These are 2 and other 2 are like this. These are 2. Totally, in this position, there exist 4 common tangents, in which 2 direct common tangents, BCT, 2 direct common tangents, 2 direct common tangents. Direct common tangent. It is direct common tangent 1, direct common tangent 2. This is transverse common tangent 1. This is transverse common tangent 2. If the circles touch same side to the tangent, that is called direct common tangent. If the circles touch either sides to the line, that tangent is called transverse common tangent. Transverse common tangent. In this case, the number of tangents are 4. Number of tangents are 4. Now, centers of similitude. Centers of similitude. The point of intersection of transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude A. The point of intersection of direct common tangents is called external center of similitude B. Now here, C1 center of one circle and C2 center of other circle. C1, A, C2 and B, these points are collinear. A is a point of intersection of transverse common tangent. B is point of intersection of direct common tangents. C1 and C2 are centers. These 4 points are collinear. A divides the line joining C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. We can write A as R1 C2 plus R2 C1 by R1 plus R2. In the same way, B divides the line segment joining C1 and C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally, that is R1 C2 minus R2 C1 by R1 minus R2. These 2 points are called harmonic conjugate points with respect to AB, with respect to the centers. Centers also harmonic conjugate with respect to the points AB. A and B are centers of similitude. Now we discuss the relative positions of the circles. C1 and C2 are centers of 2 circles. R1 and R2 are radii of the circles respectively. D is the distance between C1 and C2. D equal to C1 and C2. In this case, D, the distance between the centers, is greater than R1 plus R2. greater than R1 plus R2. In this case, we can draw 4 tangents in which direct common tangents are 2, transverse common tangents are 2. If D equal to R1 plus R2, D equal to R1 plus R2, circles touch each other externally. Circles touch each other externally. In this case, direct common tangents are 2, transverse common tangent 1. Number of tangents are 3. The condition is D equal to R1 plus R2. Third case, circles cut each other. Circles cut each other. In this case, the condition is modulus of R1 minus R2 less than D less than R1 plus R2. In this case, there exist 2 tangents. These 2 are direct common tangents. No transverse common tangent. Next case, fourth case, that is circles touch each other internally. Touch each other internally. Then the condition is modulus of D equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, only one common tangent, that is direct common tangent, because these 2 circles same side to the line. That is direct common tangent, only one common tangent. Next, last case, that is one is completely inside the other. In that case, no common tangent. No common tangent. Condition is D less than modulus of R1 minus R2. Look here. First case, number of common tangents are 4. Condition is D greater than R1 plus R2. Second case, D equal to R1 plus R2. Number of common tangents are 3. 2 circles cut each other. In this case, condition is modulus of R1 minus R2 less than D less than R1 plus R2. Fourth case, D equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, one touch inside the other. Touch each other. Last case, one circle completely lies inside the other. The condition is D less than modulus of R1 minus R2. No common tangent in this case. In the previous case, one common tangent. All the 5 cases lie on one number line. It is R1 minus R2. It is R1 plus R2. D less than R1 minus R2. D less than R1 minus R2. One circle completely lie inside. D equal to R1 minus R2. Circles touch each other internally. Next, D lie between these 2. In that case, circles cut each other. In this case, circles touch to each other. In this case, each circle is outside the other. Each circle is outside the other. Here, D less than modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, D equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. D equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, modulus of R1 minus R2 less than D less than R1 plus R2. In this case, D equal to R1 plus R2. This one, D greater than R1 plus R2. So, depending on the position of the circles, we can write the number of common tangents. Number of common tangents. Here 4 common tangents, here 3, here 2, here 1, 0. Gradually, the number of common tangents are rising from right to left. From left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Conditions are given here. Thank you, my dear students. The circles concepts are over. The advanced level concepts, some more concepts are there. We'll go through that. And system of circles also there. We will discuss in the next videos.